we're gonna learn 3 concepts. They're all relatively easy. So let's jump in. The first is the adverb 只, which means only or just, and it it often works. Like all adverbs, it comes right before the verb, and it works like the English word only a lot. The English word just has a little bit more of a broader scope of meaning, so it might not, just doesn't always mean 只, but anyway, I hope that makes sense. If you think of the English word only, it'll match most of the time. 只剩20分钟. 只剩20分钟. 剩 means to be left or to remain. So 只剩, there is only 20分钟, 20 minutes left. There is only 20 minutes. We have, what's the basic way to say this? The simple way to say this in English? There's only 20 minutes left. I think that's it. Or we have only 20 minutes left, depending on context. So only remains 20 minutes. 我只有一个哥哥. This is from Offset Learning. I only have one older brother. Excuse me. 他们只会说英文. Also from Offset Learning. They only can speak English. They can only speak English. 你们只要咖啡吗? Also from Offset Learning. You guys only want coffee, ma? Do you guys only want coffee? There you go. There's only. So our next point for today is a very simple phrase. It is jíle, which is put after an adjective. So it's adjective plus jíle to mean extremely. Ji means the most extreme point. So when you say 好极了, that means like here. Oh, this is 好吃极了. 好极了 means extremely good, awesome. 好吃极了 means extremely good, tasty, extremely tasty. 好吃极了, so it's an exclamatory way to say extremely, extremely, yeah. These are all very simple examples because it's a very simple thing. 好吃极了, very, extremely tasty, extremely good. 这首歌好听极了. This song, 这首歌, that's this measure word, 歌 song. 这首歌好听极了 sounds good. 这首歌好听极了. And then 我累极了, 累 is tired. Oh, 我累极了, I'm so tired. I'm extremely tired. So, quick video because it's super simple. Adjective plus jíle means something is extremely something. In this little clip, we're going to talk about another way to say extremely, and it's using the word 多 before the adjective. And you've seen 多 before, but it was a question word, meaning, so in fact, the grammar would look exactly the same, but this is an exclamatory thing to say, where asking a question about how adjective something is a question. All right, so here, let me give you a couple examples, and then I'll contrast the question versus exclaiming thing a little bit. 这道菜多好吃. 这道菜 means this dish of food. 这道菜多好吃. It's so good. It's very similar to the English. The English just sounds extremely formal, so it doesn't have this extremely formal feeling in Chinese, but maybe grammar-wise, or maybe like the direct meaning is very similar to how we would say, how good is this dish? It's like, how good. It's a very similar meaning, but like as I said in English, as you say, this dish, how good it is like, it sounds really formal. 这道菜多好吃. Now, if this could be a question. You could say 这道菜多好吃, and that'd be how you'd be literally asking, how good is this dish? Is it very good or not good or whatever? But this is an exclaiming saying, how good is this dish? 这道菜多好吃. It's extremely good. 你看这个地方，你看这个地方，你看这个地方. That means look at this place. Look at this place. 多美啊. This is from All Set Learning. 多美 means beautiful. So check out this place. It's so beautiful. 你看这个地方多美啊. If you're wondering, in the last clip I taught you how to say jíle after an adjective. You could say jíle in these two. Of course, not together with 多, but 这道菜好吃极了, or 你看这个地方美极了 would also be 多美. That 美极了 sounds, I don't know if I've heard that. I'm sure it would work, but this sounds a little bit more natural to me. 你女儿聪明. Oh, I forgot no, here it is. 你女儿多聪明啊. 你女儿多聪明啊. 聪明 means smart. Your daughter is so smart. How smart is your daughter? Very. That's also from All Set Learning. So, how awesome you guys are. You're learning Chinese. Keep up the good work.